What's going on? How we doing? Uh, I can't even hear my music. Can you guys hear? It says it's playing, but I don't have my headphones on. So I can't hear it at the moment. At the moment. Oven, Bovin, Zovin, Coven, Hoven, Govin, Dovin, Fovin, Sovin, Povin, Woven, Woven, Woven. Like like I wove shirt, woven. The shirt has been woven. None of the other letters make sense. Can it be a double letter? Woven? No. Noven? Woven? See, is that it? No. Like I wove a shirt. The shirt has been woven. I think I can think of. Stare, bruh. Hit me with ads already. It's not me, man. I don't run ads. That's all Twitch. Go to YouTube. Slowly switching over to YouTube anyway. I'm live over there as well. Come watch me. What's up, man? How you been, Steve? I guessed Woken first, otherwise would have had 3. Woken. Wait, you had... Oh, Woken. I got you, I see. You guessed Woken on the 3rd try instead of Woken. Yeah, I got lucky with the V with a novel. Don't forget that like button on YouTube. It'll maybe help. I don't know. I left my headphones unplugged last night, so they're charging at the moment. few minutes.
PRNs a little bit. I don't know if I have any shorts on that. Well, I do, but I'm not want it anywhere where it is. I don't want it. It is potentially doing something. Oxy's way up, but I don't know
USA
what it's doing.
39K.
It's not really interesting.
Oxy up. Would like the 71.50 shove.
Right there, top.
See what jumpy from
Right there. IBKR back down.
NEPT if you guys have shorts on it.
NEPT.
It's too low for you. It'd be like a Tim trade,
Wow.
but it's up.
No shares. Doesn't matter.
AVEO up.
Firm just had a nice pop. Came right back down.
Arthur. Yeah, MPDD small.
S&P
but
futures
I'm
right now
debating
just
taking it
about
off. It
turning
doesn't work out
positive here, up
Which
1.5.
way are you?
Down. Short.
Oh, I should have done Oxy.
Oh yeah. Fucking A, this thing's wicked.
Here.
My dog barks one more time, I'm gonna throw him through a window. Not really, but I love my dog people. I wouldn't throw him through a window. Oh, fucking A, dude.
Autofilled.
AVEO.
Arthur, stop barking.
Carrot.
Carter and AVEO.
Yeah, me too.
There it goes. Oh god. I just.
It keeps.
Alright, I'm all out. Jesus Christ.
This thing's jumpy.
It is.
The bid keeps coming down to my take profit and then just shoots back up. Silly.
What is it? Oh,
Eight-
the dollar
yeah,
stock.
All of a sudden it got like really sweaty.
Fucking trade that. I just made a decent chunk of change on
Here dollar on
apron.
way.
Not apron. What the fuck am I talking about?
Autofilled.
On PDD, but I fucked up and I took it
AVEO
off
dollar.
because of that.
All
I
out
just-
of AVO.
Yeah, me too.
I totally effed up that trade,
Carrot.
man.
AVEO dollar on
That's a
way.
frustrating situation.
Are you frustrated?
Oh well. I'm a little frustrated with myself right now. You know. AR just did something. Yeah, I broke out about this.
All
I
futures
sort of had it right.
briefly turning positive.
I just had an
Dow
alert set.
futures
so
right
I'm
now, yep,
off.
are positive. S&P 500, Nasdaq
man,
all positive.
PDD,
Crude
that's
up
an annoying trade.
$2.30 now.
IMAB
Gold up
frustrating.
$3.80.
Indo
Bitcoin futures
HTB.
up 490.
Indo if you got him, Jack.
I don't think I did.
Oh, and that's gonna keep going down.
No, no window.
Coming up
I wish I
at
had
10, the
one.
Richmond Manufacturing Index for August.
Oh, PDD.
So I meant to
New
take
home
a little
sales at
off
9:45. The
when it finally
services
broke
PMI.
down a little bit, but because it's so early, I didn't trust it. And instead of taking off, I added. Which tripped me out, so I just took it all off. Alright, and it's just kept going lower since. Oh, that's frustrating. I would have been in this. Okay, move on. Human error. That sucks.
AVEO LNT.
Dang. Yo, AVEO kept going.
Yeah.
I'm sad it didn't go up and give me a chance at an ad. I was gonna do this.
WETG, We Trade Group holds
know.
in on a circuit breaker. Whiskey Echo Tango Golf.
Did you guys talk about dollar stock a
$6.81.
second ago, or did I pull up the wrong chart?
Well, no,
There's
ABO is like a $9 stock.
29% now.
I must have heard it wrong.
ENSV up. Miss so far.
I wouldn't have traded anyway. It's only 300,000.
Company announced strategic partnership with Guide
Let's see what else we got. Man, PDD's gonna haunt my
and
dreams, bro.
providing monkeypox testing kits.
Yeah.
All because I clicked the wrong
That's
button.
Whiskey Echo Tango Golf.
Stupid.
Oxy's still going. It came down and went back all the way back up the high day. Affirm's
Endo.
I don't like it, but
No shorts. FRM.
yeah,
no
You
jack.
said something super Boston like.
I don't like
You're
it. but
dead.
Mara's
Root your
moving a little
eyes.
bit. You have shorts, maybe.
Random
Root
thought.
your
Tim,
eyes, Jack.
Neogenesis is the new.
That's funny.
Year
You're not supposed to
2.7
do that, Jack. That's
TLS.
awful.
I didn't say you should take
What's
it.
the ticker on
I
Neogenesis?
don't think anybody should, but if you're in it, good luck.
No.
Not you, but anybody.
Chewy's making a move.
Kind of watching this Oxy. Chewy's got to look like shit on the chart, huh? Just remembering where it was last time I looked at it. Chewy, yeah, that looks like total shit.
Stephen Porting.
On the bottom, huh?
How are you not already
Yeah.
subbed to me, you jerk?
Remember that thing falling, and I was like, that thing's got to be down there.
Missed it.
See how it is.
Yeah, I missed it.
See how it is.
That ain't my jam.
I tried to get in at 25 and didn't fill me by it.
Well, I've already had a better day than yesterday, so that's good. And that's with a fuck up. Oh, PDD is gonna go exactly like I thought it would, though. That's so aggravating, dude. That fucking ad just really fucked my mind game up. Especially because I took decent size. I was in 500, then I was in 800, and I was like, oh, cool.
Good morning, good morning.
Morning.
Hey, there you are.
Morning.
Jesus. What are we watching, guys?
Nothing with volume.
Slowing down. I think we're gonna be in a slowdown for the next few days until the SPY kind of figures itself out. SPY going down does not help us very much. We didn't have shorts on APRN, did we? I was pretty sure we didn't. No.
I did.
You do? Of course you do, Jack.
Tell up.
That settles it. I'm going back to CNET, guys. Oxy looks like she wants to go.
Glad somebody got that Oxy trade, Thomas.
Oh, Thomas got it? You, Tom. I was too scared.
It longed it when you got out, Thomas.
I just
Like-
pulled it up and I just saw where it was. I was like, oh, that could definitely go through 50 real quick, and then it just never did. We don't have
Here's
shares, Tom, on
71.50.
Nerve, by the way. Hopefully you got it.
I wanted it.
Yeah, 71.50.
I wanted it to go back over 5 after it came down, and then now it just died.
Let's confuse Ed.
WETG
Win
resuming. We
Oof,
Trade Group
volume is
shares
looking
now
super
at
bad today, guys.
657, up
Yeah.
24%.
I will
Whiskey
say
Echo
that.
Tango
9 up.
Golf.
300 KTB.
right? Is there anything with like nice volume right now?
No.
WETG was halted, didn't see it on scanner, new IPO I guess.
Watching ear on SSR, but I'd like it higher.
Yeah.
Watch nose if ears moving.
PE Celanese, hearing Gordon Haskett says Warren Buffett may be looking at Celanese. Charlie Echo. Shares of Celanese moving on that 112.84 now, up 1.5%.
IMAB up 387K.
So with all on gas moving.
They were starting the move yesterday too.
Like what stocks other than Oxy? Ooh, Spy just.
Oxy, Mara, Howe.
Hoping for IMAB, but it just stopped. Came down the other way on, and the volume sucks.
Ear up. Ear.
My ear is going again, Tim. I don't know if you're watching it.
Yeah, I have an order at 65. It's been there for a little while. I was hoping we'd get that like kind of push up like this. Oh, no fill. I want the 65, but I didn't get filled. Yeah. Still not. Nope. 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 Well, that's going to be fun if that's the top and I don't get filled.
It wants to fill you. I could tell.
Still nothing.
If you move it down, it's going to go to 70.
Feels like I might,
That's
if it do get filled, it might go to 70 anyway.
Yeah.
S&P
if it
Global
holds up
August
during
flash
this
composite
long.
PMI at 45 versus 47.7 in
It might
July.
not be
Flash
that.
services PMI
That's crazy. I didn't get
44.1
filled. As
versus
many times as I went to
47.3 in
65,
July.
I didn't get filled.
Manufacturing PMI 51.3 versus 52.2 in
I had the order in for a while
July.
too, so that first come first serve bullshit. Oh, that sucks.
I'll look at Oxy now. Again.
Yeah, I think Oxy's going up, but I'm called down, but I can't trade it.
I guess I should
Didn't
move
like
this to like
it.
a little higher, because if it goes through, it's probably
U.S.
gonna
manufacturing
go a little
PMI at the lowest since July 2020.
The
Services
NSV missed
PMI
a
lowest
flush.
since May
Paper cut.
2020. And the composite PMI at the lowest level since February 2021.
And what are the odds it goes to 65 and just stops again? Although it did.
Hey, but PDD did what I thought it would, and I made some money off of it, so I feel good about that. So I do see these shorts, right? But there's just not shit happening.
Did he ever fill you yet? Or did you move it up?
I moved it up to 67 thinking if it got to 65 again, it would go higher. And now it's just going 1 cent higher. It's just sitting there. What a crazy little thing. I don't even know if I want to be
FXLV.
part of this, to be honest.
Way it's moving.
Yeah.
Indo making a little movie move. But she looks a lot like the one Tim's trying to fuck with. No real big moves, just kind of grinding up.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of want to... Oh, this is just so grindy. Just hate that it's SSR.
Yeah,
I
that's
am
the
a
worst.
$B on way.
I'm not even trying it. I don't want it. I don't want it.
AVEO is still going down, making us all look stupid.
Order cancelled.
AVEO?
Yeah,
It's
that's the
going
one we
straight
traded
to...
earlier.
My bitch don't have no volume.
No.
Still.
No, see, it still has no volume.
Still has no volume. I mean, it was 300K when you guys were in it. So it's traded about 100K since you guys got out. I wouldn't feel too shitty about that. APRN. Not feeling that. Spies all over the map.
Yeah.
Big reject, big push up.
Mara 255K.
And sexy give Amanda kisses from a good trade into humor doesn't respond. It's because I'm busy. Go away. I need one more monitor to have chat up. I don't have enough space. I mean, I could essentially turn this monitor into like 2 browsers. I probably could
Upside
do
had some
that.
volume.
Oxy looks so damn grindy.
It does.
Like I was trying to figure out if I wanted to trade that, and I don't want to trade that. I am so bad at this.
Watching Mara and FXLV.
And what?
FXLV.
Never heard of this in my life. That's crazy.
Hey, bub.
I always freak out when it's tickers that I've never seen in my life.
Order filled.
Sound like a new
Mara
IPO,
nibble.
maybe? Yep, there it is. Oh, no, it's not. My charts are just loading slow.
Is there one on the couch?
Order cancelled.
I thought there saw one. Is it like under your covers?
You got up, Jag?
Upstart. I'm in it.
Short?
Yep.
I'm in a trade right now.
Good luck, sir.
UPST up.
Alright, looks a little grindy, huh, Tim?
APE shares halted for news. Alpha Papa Echo. Halted, correction. Halted on a circuit breaker. APE. $84, up 14%.
Yeah, of course I'm gonna miss. Finally moved here. I wasn't here.
Did it really? Oh, you weren't here.
No, my son needed a charger for his tablet.
Oh, go find one.
I did. That's why I wasn't here. I was also in Mara with a starter, so that was kind of annoying too. I don't know if
Oh,
it
gotcha.
doesn't look like it came down to my take
It
profit.
hasn't done anything really. Just kind of selling here. You're averaging that one.
Order filled.
81. I just took a starter in ear as well. 77.
BON, Bond Natural Life, halted on a circuit breaker. Bravo Oscar November.
Brayden, I can't hear you from in here, bud. Is this retail
Just
trading?
got out.
Yes.
Probably a mistake, but
What were you in?
Upstart.
Yes, I am a retail trader.
But it just kept going underneath me and then coming right back above my average.
Yeah.
Because right now
It's kind of tough. It's
my
way,
average-
way off the bottom.
my average was 59, and it kept going back to
Washington
it.
Post now with an update on that earlier
I'm like, you know
CNN
what?
story. Lawmakers investigate Twitter security
Right now, it doesn't look
chief's
so bad, but
whistleblower allegations. That's TWTR. GSAT, Global Star, and Global Sat to deploy IoT solution for monitoring of renewable energy stations in Latin America. That's Golf Sandy Alpha Tango. Coming up at 10, new home sales for July, 575,000 expected. Also, the Richmond Manufacturing Index, -6, the consensus.
Oh, sorry, it's gonna make me look stupid. And it was spreading. What's everybody watching?
Nothing really. I'm still in both of my trades, just chilling. Watching
paint
HY.
WINT Wintry shares moving towards the
What did you say, Billy?
earlier pre-market highs.
Paint
Whiskey
dry.
November
HYZN.
Tango.
Yeah. Yeah, HYZN's moving out. I got
Company
nothing on that.
announcing
It's a
global
low dollar,
licensing
but it's
agreement
moving. It's got some good moves now.
for their
Yeah, shares
KL4
on that,
Surf
Earnings.
I'm not taking a few thousand of this
Surfactant
for me.
and Aerosurf. That's Whiskey India November Tango.
See if we could
I would
get
have to take
getting held
1,000
up here at
shares.
71. We can get through 71. We should get the move. A little bit of a pop down through.
I got Oxy up still. I got PDD up, which is not doing.
Well, PDD is almost back to higher day.
I know,
It's crazy. But it's PDD.
but it's PDD. That's what PDD does.
I am so fucking.
PDD likes to do PDD things.
Yeah.
I have Veru up. It looks like total trash. Got a lot of garbage up, man. I think the condition of the SPY is impacting us in a bad way.
BON shares resume trading now. Richmond Fed Composite Manufacturing Index -8 in August.
What are you doing over there, Thomas? You here, or are you doing your 9 to 5 stuff?
July single-family home sales 511,000. Consensus was 575,000. NTLA, Intellia Therapeutics, announced they will
There's people
present
sitting there at 71.
interim clinical data from ongoing
Scroll in
phase
so you guys
1/2
can
study
see
of
it.
NTLA
Straight across.
2002 for
JD's
the
moving. It's off the
treatment of
bottom.
hereditary
71,
angioedema.
71. Or right back to the
Lima
highs
Alpha.
here. Here we go, 71 again.
S&P futures now headed a bit higher,
There it is.
41.48,
Mid, huh?
Mm-hmm.
up about
Dear
7.
dollar.
Impressive.
All out of ear.
So that worked.
That SSR bullshit gets
Carry.
me on the air, dude.
Oxy's going over high day again.
Wisp.
Oxy.
It's just making new highs constantly. It's grinding.
Mm-hmm. PDD is at
Yeah.
high.
Grinders be grinding. And the painter's here because he told me I wouldn't be here
And
until 8:30.
Rev had quite the V move yesterday, huh? REV.
REV.
Quite the V.
You're quite the V. Fucking virgin.
Aw, I thought you were saying because of Vesh. Sad
No,
face.
I'm calling you a virgin.
Yeah, I got that now.
Uh, oh, yeah. I don't know how to grab hold of something like Oxy, man. If I did, I would make money, but
Well, yeah, 'cause
where the fuck do you buy it? You know?
which way do you choose?
And I was long bias on it until 73.60s, but I don't know where to buy it. I literally can't find a good spot on that chart on a grinder, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Grinders are hard. I think with grinders, you just really got to go with the direction you see it grinding and buy it anywhere.
Yes.
And your key is to put a stop loss in there that gives enough room to pull back if it wants to. I just don't have that down yet. Those are hard trades. Alert on PDD if it comes back down. Twitter looks like absolute shit.
Yeah, I never even looked at that. Yeah.
Apron's falling apart.
Yeah.
You didn't have shorts in that one. I think you did though, didn't you, Jay?
What?
Apron?
Yeah.
53 would have been a good area on that one if I had shorts, but I did not. It's one of my fib lines set up, and
I feel like I would give this a little shot through 14 just to see if they're trying to grab some liquidity up there. It feels like it wants to keep trying.
alright guys, I'll be back.
Okay.
These fuckers.
Keeps getting shot down here. It's 91. It gets through that. Ooh,
Here reject.
alright. Oxy right back to the highs.
Wolf up.
Order filled.
A small stab in Wolf. It's an expensive one.
But
APE halted again on a circuit breaker, Alpha Papa Echo, $7.18, up 20% now. That's Alpha Papa Echo.
Good check. They're hanging in there.
Order filled.
Can't make this stuff up, guys.
Carrot with a lock.
It's that close. And then right back up. Of course, that was probably Brian. It's like, do I go try to front run that now? Or, because like now I could probably move it lower if it breaks that. Let's leave it.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
WHLM halted on a circuit breaker. Lamina halted at $5.27, up 7%. Whiskey Hotel Lima Michael.
Mara start, 14.50 PLS.
Excuse me.
You think crack-a-lackin', boys? Hello, hello, hello.
Mara's still moving up.
Twitter's moving up. Oh, so he's still grinding.
Yep.
Figure Mara and Oxy are just kind of moving together, huh?
Yeah, for the most part, it looks like.
Buy's moving up. PDD's moving up. I see nothing that I want to trade. Yeah, when the gardeners see this, he pulls in and just parks in front of my house. I think he's waiting for the boss, so I'm just gonna wait till they go. Ace is moving up. Tag you leave us.
Oh,
It's been quiet today, huh?
so mean. Even with one ear, that freaking hurt.
ECT, Giga Cloud Technology, halted on a circuit breaker on the way down at 27.34, down 34%. That's Golf Charlie Tango.
A Tesla. Straight up. Like, kept going off on the scanner. Usually I just ignore it, but it is kind of going straight up.
Old Tessie, huh?
Order filled.
STNE is kind of interesting on the daily just because it had this big pullback.
Which one?
STNE.
Stone.
Yeah, it's pushing up a little bit today after having this big drop the other day.
Upstart's backed up over high a day.
Yeah, dude, a lot of these are kind of grindy. I mean, Upstart's grindy. I mean, all of them.
Yeah.
Stone's grindy. Oxy, super grindy.
PDD is way back up again. Damn.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what the fuck to do with this shit, dude, to be
So
honest.
SPY is probably helping them too. It's kind
Yeah,
of
the
grindy.
SPY is grabbing them up right now, grinding. Grinding, grinding, grinding.
Grindy, grindy McGrinderson.
I hate grindy days, dude, so much.
And now Oxy's starting to come
Order
down.
filled.
Opposite of everybody else.
Ear dollar.
Order
What I
cancelled.
missed.
Not a zip zero.
Not a lot, no.
HYZN dollar.
My fucking Oxstar trade would have worked. I had to bail on it. Good thing I was in the green when I had to bail.
Boss come in or something.
Yeah, walked right up the stairs.
You're like, fuck, I'm not trading. I'm working hard.
FXLV
I was
dollar.
multitasking.
APRE, Priya Therapeutics, popping here, 90 cents. Up 17%, Alpha Papa Romeo Echo.
Stop. Dog is gonna piss.
17.
Alright, guys, I got multiple painters in the house now. Fuck, they're doing the inside next. That's gonna be a nightmare.
When are they doing that?
After they're done with the outside, so I'm guessing might start at the end of this week. Assuming the outside will probably be done by tomorrow.
Order
Yeah.
cancelled. Order filled.
They do that shit pretty quick on the outside, you know. On the inside takes a little longer.
Yeah.
But that's gonna be a fucking pain in the ass because I'm in here. I
Yes.
think I'm just gonna have to lock Arthur in here with me and have
I
him
was
do this
just
room
watching
last and move my shit somewhere else.
Oxy. Oxy's going right back to the highs, or at least trying to.
Downside of working from home.
Yep.
Yeah, I wish I had an office I could just take me and Arthur to or something. That'd be awesome.
Mara
Just keeps
Penny's
getting
on
to
the way.
that 50. Breaking.
Wish we had an office we could go to. Be cool.
GCT now resuming following a circuit breaker halt. Golf Charlie Tango. 27.20 now, down 34%. That's Golf Charlie Tango.
Here on a trail. Carrot.
Just get some.
Mara out all.
Oxy right back to the highs on like no volume. And it would be weird if this doesn't want to try to follow it.
I'm gonna go ask the judge if they need anything from me so that way I'm done, and if they don't, they can just fucking do their work.
Order filled.
I feel like we're getting a gift here. Back through 27, I'll just take the rest off. And Oxy's, I mean, booming at the highs here. So it's kind of weird that this is still trying to pull back. Stupid wolf trade. Actually gonna go through this time. Oh, oh. It gets through. I mean, we're probably definitely gonna get filled, you would think. It literally keeps stopping. Oh, oh, look, if we would have left it, where were we? 33? What did it go to? 36, 28. You killing
Wolf out
me.
all.
You're killing me. Oh, wait, we're not filled, even though the bid's below it. Could just take 35, 28.
Order
Oh,
filled.
we waited too long. We got 33.
Carrot.
See if Mara can get below 14. Guess I should have just been more patient, but I didn't want to let the full size go back up to the highs on the first one. On the second one, it just seemed like it was definitely going to bounce.
If ear reclaims, prob an OK YOLO. Carrot out all.
Order filled.
Alright, just put the stop over this. Was it 25, 26? Put it at 27. Basically just trail it. Basically a break-even trade, so if we can get a
DANO's
bigger
going
move
little
down,
bit.
we can make a little bit on it, but it's not going to be.
EQT and Kino up.
NEPT,
Watching
Neptune
EQT
Wellness
and
Solutions. Now at $2.32,
Yeah.
up 16%. NEPT moving higher. Reuters reporting OPEC Plus may lean towards oil output cuts when and if Iranian production returns. That from 9 OPEC sources. Crude is at the highs now, 94.09.
It's both of them. You get either one, Thomas?
No, I missed them both. I was hoping EQT would speed up a little bit. It was a little choppy going up.
Yep. Kano was the same way.
Should have been more patient. Gotta accept the risk of high a day there when I do that. Could have been a pretty nice trade had I been patient.
Oh my goodness, EQT. Just stick it to me.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Missed.
Just take it off. Be done with it. Basically break even there. Decent lesson there. Need to work on patience. We scroll in. We still hadn't had the pullback, right? We still haven't had this nice pullback. So when I get these ads, I need to be okay with it still going higher. I should not, especially right here. Like, that's not a pullback. It's no different than what happened here. So if it wants to keep going, I need to be okay with letting that go even higher. I mean, at that point, we weren't down that much anyways.
Yo, suckers, what up?
So I need to be
EQT
okay with being patient,
would have
looking
been
for the
good.
bigger move down. I mean, sure, yeah, it did try to go a little bit higher, but even if it did try to go higher and go through, I need to be okay with that and trading the way that I am now. The old way that I was trading, I don't disagree with what I did here, but I'm not trading like that right now.
Anything really get going while I was gone, or everything kind of same the same?
The only thing that kind of moved was EQT. I mean, Affirm died. Upstart died some. But other than that, not really.
And nothing really crack-a-lacking, huh?
Mm.
I got the painters set up, and they're good to go. Shouldn't have to fuck with them for another hour or so, at least, hopefully.
And of course, the SPY dropped about $1.20.
ED with the nice move up.
Mhm.
I don't know what to do with that at this point in the game, though. Find something new with the dog, just shutting everything.
Yeah.
Shut all the blinds so we can't see them. I'm like, maybe that'll keep him chill.
Mara is definitely not following Oxy anymore.
No.
Yeah, I see that.
I wish I would have just took Oxy off my screen because I made a lot of my decisions based off of the Oxy.
Not gonna lie, not liking a lot of these charts.
Oxy isn't a fake out to the highs. That thing feels like it's just going to go to all-time highs.
EQT is going back up, Thomas.
Maybe she. Just can't do it.
No.
Can't do what?
EQT.
Don't want to look at it.
Negative.
Yeah, I can see why you don't want to do it. Really no reason to do it.
Right at a fib line.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. Hit my 100 on my extension.
What, how much shorting it?
Yeah. Not, I wouldn't short it right there though. It needs more of an extension. It needs to go to the next one at least.
The next fib one.
Yeah.
And if you really thought it would do that, you should long it. You
Yeah,
don't really believe in any of it.
I don't trust.
Why are you not watching PDD, Devin?
I have it up, man. PDD. Why did I not trade that? Well, just because it broke above my freaking area while I was dealing with the painters, so now I'm be taking it, what, 65 cents over where it should have been in. I can't.
Roger.
I just can't jump into something 65 cents over where it should have had it. And at 49.05, when I got back, it was all the way up to 49.50s. Just don't know what to do with that.
PDD up.
Arthur.
TBX shares now quoting.
Want to short it?
I'm gonna short my.
Yeah.
Keeps barking like this. It might be a good move.
I want a PDD over 50-50 if it went smooth right there, but
50-50 is my next fib line.
yeah.
Is it yours too?
No, I don't even actually have any up right now on this.
50-53 to be exact is where it landed, but I do these off the big move from yesterday to the pullback and today. See what they do. I mean, I don't know, man. In non-trending markets, nothing tends to work as well either. And we're on shit market right now. So my hopes are low.
Yeah, if I draw the from where you did, yeah, I get 50-50 as a fib.
Yeah. 50-50, bro. 50-50.
Yeah,
It's a 50-50 trade.
that's exactly what this is. If you get it,
Well, literally a 50-50 trade. You gotta trade it at 50-50. Yeah, I'm not feeling the warm and fuzzies today, man. And today I'm in a better mood. Yesterday I was in a shit mood. Got no sleep. I was all freaking tripping about my kid being 7 hours away. I talked to her today. She's doing good.
STBX now
Yeah, today's
indicating
pretty slow. I'm
That's
gonna go let the dog
25.
out.
Sandy
I think it's
Tango
easier
Bravo
for them than
X-ray.
it is us at first.
did she have any classes today?
Early on that one.
Arthur, fuck.
I can't talk over my damn dog. Even though you guys don't hear him, I hear him. At the college she goes to, they do this program that a lot of colleges are introducing now to freshmen. So school doesn't really start for another week, but they have this fit classes they're doing, and basically it immerses them in their major.
Yeah.
And they found like it's like 8 to 10 hour days depending on the day. They're huge days for them, but they found that like when they do this, kids normally last longer in their. They have more success rate of finishing their majors, or deciding to change their major before it even starts.
Yeah.
So basically, it's an
TWTR
introductory into
Twitter,
your major that like goes super
What
deep
Bush
for a
is
week.
Dan
So
Ives
that's what they're
on
doing this
Twitter.
week.
Whistleblower
So
tells
she did have
Benzinger this
classes,
throws gasoline
but
into
it's
the
not
fire around the bot issue
official
with
college yet.
Musk and Twitter. This alarming story also raises
I
security
think yesterday
concerns,
she went from 7 to 9
which will
o'clock
be a
at
major
night. So
focus of
she
the
was super
Beltway
busy.
on Twitter. That's Tango Whiskey Tango Romeo.
Is Twitter doing something right now?
No. It isn't.
I just said something about Twitter, but I really wasn't paying attention. My dog's so frustrated. He just came in here, laid on the ground, and went.
NEPT.
Neptune. God, Arthur. Okay, give me a second. Let's go see. Come on. Let's go see. I'll go with you.
A lot of volume in that. I'll give it that.
Okay, Arthur, they're gonna be making noise, dude. We can't avoid that. Come on, bud. You just start taping everything off. The thick faces. What are we trading? Man, fucking slow ass day, dude. I can't even find a chart that I really see besides your NEPT, which actually kind of is trading volume, like you said.
A lot of volume.
It's definitely got the volume, but it's $2.90. You know how much I fucking hate those.
Mm-hmm.
I would have been up a lot more if I didn't fuck up that trade this morning.
Yeah, I heard your dog bark.
Sad moment. Arthur, you little shitbag, come here. I think I'll get over this in a minute. Call him out, Jack. Call him out.
Nothing.
I know. I had a feeling after yesterday, today wasn't going to be the bestest either. Where's DT at, giving us the lowdown of what's going on in the market?
I know.
DT, where's our market news, man? I think Mara was green for 10.
No, it's not.
Oh, it wasn't?
No, he's down 82 cents on it for his total realized. I don't know how, but
Oh.
by the look of it,
Well,
he
it gives-
should be.
Yeah. Just because he got that double ad on top, I thought for sure that would have been green.
Yeah.
I'll give him the eggplant too then.
And that's the only reason. I mean, if I looked at that chart, I would give him green, but you know what his thing
Yeah,
said.
that's why when I saw the eggplant, I was like, "What are you doing?"
Da-da-da. Thank you, Justin, for banning whatever that was.
Down 82 cents, huh? It's a fucking massive trade. I hope he survived it.
Yeah, how are you down on that, Tim?
Sam, are you here?
He's at his computer. Maybe he has us muted in his headset. Maybe he's talking to Twitch people.
care enough. I was gonna type something to him in the room, but I really don't care if it's 82 cents.
Yeah, it's barely so.
He lost 82 cents. He'll survive.
Yeah, 82 cents is a good loss if you don't have a loss.
I go for small losses, but that is smaller than most losses I take. I don't remember the last time I had an 82 cents loss. Fucking A, dude. I'm really kind of annoyed there because I'm up like 80 bucks and I should have been up a lot more. And it's all because I fucked up, dude.
Yeah, me too.
You fucked up too?
I got out too early. On both of them.
Mine wasn't getting out too early. It was just that ad. It threw me for a loop because I did not want to add there, you know? I
Yeah,
meant to take a little off, so I locked in a little bit and instead I added and I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get out.
an
And
upstart.
then it dropped over $1.
An upstart I gave up 50 cents a share, could have gotten, and on what do you call it? On AVEO, realistically, there is probably another 40 cents a share.
I gave up about $1.50. No big deal.
Yep.
No big deal.
Yeah, basically I gave up $1 a share.
Man,
In
I
the
gave
two.
up $1.50 in one fucking trade, and I was in heavy. If I would have left that, if I would have said fuck it and gone with the flow on that, I would have made so much more money by my mistake, you know?
Yeah.
But instead, because I added, I was like, oh, I meant to take a little out there. Because it was being annoying right before that, like flashing up 30 cents, flashing down 30 cents. So I was kind of like, I'm going to lock in a little bit just in case it flashes back up.
What the hell are y'all doing?
What do you mean?
I leave for 10 minutes and go pull up Tim's stream and he has fucking Tesla on his screen. What are y'all doing?
Dude, we can't even talk to Tim. He's not even here. Like, we tried to speak to him. He's not listening to us. Probably because he's looking at Tesla.
It's like, fuck. No, he's not trading it, but it's up.
Yeah.
We can't talk to Tim. We've tried to. He's not talking to us. He's planning his route of attack on Tesla.
Hopefully he's on the shitter planning it. Getting out all those shitty ideas.
Yeah, I'm with one share, and that's it.
Alright, I gotta mute y'all again. I got thrown a bomb this morning at the office, so I'm kind of tied up.
Alright, man. Man, we're here.
I got nothing I like. Nothing.
Yeah, dude. Fucking pieces of shit today, huh?
Mm-hmm.
EQT's just grinding the fuck straight up, if you want to look at that. Oxy is literally just freaking consolidating right under a fib line. That is something I can do nothing with.
Yeah.
And what do you do with that? It breaks through that fucking fib line. I think it goes. I'm not shorting it below it.
Yeah.
I'm not going to long it below it, so I'm just not going to touch it. Oh, there it went. I went through it. It is through the fib line. With a little burst of volume. The next one is 77.66. That is way the fuck up there. Alright, I'm going to get my ass on Oxy.
Okay. Good luck.
I just need to see what it's going to do right here. God, what a fucking grindy piece of shit, though.
So you're in at basically 73? 73, 73?
I didn't actually take it yet.
Oh, I thought you said you did it.
No, I said I'm watching it.
Oh.
I kind of would like to see it try to pull back and then hold or something. But it didn't really break through yet, so here comes the breakthrough. And this thing. What?
I'm saying to Tim, he's back to his computer. I'm like, why can't you hear us?
I have my headphones off.
Yeah. How did you
Oh
actually?
shit.
How did you actually lose money on Mara? By your chart, it looks like you should have made money.
My average was right there at 14.14. Are you looking at the, do you see the first red arrow all the way down the bottom there?
Were your ads at the top? At the top, smaller.
They were, no, it was a 112.
Okay.
So the first
you
one
were
was
gonna be- I thought
50,
you
the
were
second
green
one
on
was
it, too.
50, and the
You put
the third and fourth one were both 50, but they were together, so it kind of acts like a 1
Yeah.
Fucking A, dude. I should have just long
or a
boxed
2,
you.
I mean.
Okay, so I get it. Because I mean, you basically broke even, but
Yeah, so my average was 14.14, and when it came down there, it bounced right off my average, go figure. And so when it started to move higher, I took off half just to, I didn't want to let the whole half go back up.
Yeah.
And I was
It
telling
did not
myself,
bounce off your average.
it literally bounced off my
It
average.
did
Look,
not. No way.
I see what you're doing there. So I was talking to myself after the fact saying that I kind of messed up because I need to be okay with letting that go back to the highs if it doesn't pull back there instead of taking some off like I did. Because the whole point of me playing it the way that I did and starting so small is to build into a position for that actual pullback. So when I finally get that actual pullback, if I'm taking some off for a loss or even break even, it makes absolutely no sense.
yeah,
Hmm.
it did exactly what you wanted.
It did do exactly what I wanted. It just took a little bit longer. So, and of course it bounced off my average, which I guess is a good thing because in hindsight now I can learn from it like I am, but
Interesting.
why is that interesting? Or are you just mocking me?
No. You know somebody said that to you a few days ago
Did you say that to me a few days ago?
about starting so small, and you may want to get rid of that cut at going back through high day because you're in so small, you're looking to build a position.
Oh,
It's
right.
kind of close to my exact words.
Yeah, no, and I agreed with you, but on the opposite end of that, when it comes down to my average and so forth, like I need to be, what I was getting at is I need to be okay with realizing that I got my ads where I did, and that still might not be the high, but it still hasn't pulled back like it ended up pulling back, but it still hasn't done that yet. So until it either does that or goes higher, I need to be okay with either of those outcomes because I still haven't got that pullback that I'm looking for. I mean, like, look at Oxy. If you started this thing at like 71.50 or 72, like you'd still be in this because technically this still hasn't had a pullback.
No. Did you get in it, Devin?
Yeah, man. Let's hope it doesn't have its pullback soon.
Oh, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying you would still be in it short looking for that pullback. I'm not saying it's going to pull back now. I'm just
Yeah, because you'd still have the room.
yeah, because you'd still be looking for the actual like downtrending looking pullback, which it has not had yet. You're like right at all-time highs, Devin. I don't know if you know that.
It's all-time highs.
Didn't what's his name?
No, it's definitely not all-time highs.
What's his name? Say it
It's
was
definitely not.
80.
No, it's not. It's been higher.
Well, it's the highs for the last 2 years, and it's bouncing like right off of it.
Man, let's see what it does here.
Hopefully, it goes through and extends for you.
That's the goal. I'm in small. I mean, this is not a big trade no matter what. But, I mean, I will add if it breaks out from here. Kind of what I'm waiting to see if it does. I got 100 in, just under 74. Kind of watching for it to keep holding the 74 area and break out, but She seems like she wants it, but having trouble getting going.
What is your average?
Literally right below 74, like 73.9, and then some
Yeah.
999.
Okay, so
This is 74.
Nine.
No stress right now. I'm at 100
Oh,
shares.
33K.
Hawkchuck's in with you. He's in 4,000 shares at 74.08.
Shut up.
Damn.
Yep.
Getting the stock jock
Stock
pump.
jock. Let's go, man. Let's go.
I'll be right back. I got to go help down there. Good luck.
Thanks, man. $4,000 shares with the stock jack, huh? God, he always goes in so heavy.
It's kind of, he trades kind of like you. Be funny about it. Or he just has a set amount that he uses.
Just says it's 4K, huh?
Yep.
I went in smaller on this one just because, number one, the price, number two, where I'm buying it.
Dollar.
Had an ad and took some off there at the top. Well, let's see. Here she goes. I don't know if Oxy can squeeze though, man.
Funny is watching Mara and Oxy now. It's like they were following each other and now they're not even thinking about doing the same thing.
I think Oxy's the one that had the news, and Mara was just like, maybe I go too. No? No? Okay. Never mind. I'd like this to get above 74.50 and kind of hold up there and give me a little distance from my entry. That's my bad thing about grinders is they don't do anything fucking fast. I guess I should be looking to take profit at 74.70, huh, Tim?
Why?
Imagine
What's
that's where
that?
you'd be looking to short.
Oh, I mean, the way this is just grinding, I don't think I'd be looking to short this at all.
I gotcha. I'm just saying, I look for those 20-cent extensions.
I mean, yeah, like, I mean, if you're looking for places to sell, that's usually a good spot because that's where everyone else seems to sell.
Just having trouble getting over there. And hard not to lock some more in just because I don't know what this is going to do, but the fibs look kind of good, but it could also use a pullback to the fib, which I'm not going to ride through. You piece of shit. I'm out. I had to pee. I'll be back. I'm green, but I'm out. Dude, I'm so excited to see what my house looks like at the end of today.
Yeah.
GRNQ49K.
I had to take everything off the wall so in the next few days, and that sucks.
Miss LOL.
So annoying, I don't know where to stack all this shit. EQT just kinda fell off a little bit. Looks like that was an okay sell on Oxy. God, I hate grinders so much. Froggy says, bye bye spy. Yeah, the spy said, nope to those highs, huh? Anything promising up, Tim?
Watching Indo be silly, but we don't have anything there. Small floater,
Could be
it's
something I
rotated
went along.
10 times. I mean, could be if you're looking to play something volatile.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm ready for that today. I feel like these haven't been a... Oh, shit. That's a big move then. 972 to 1199. Maybe. I actually drew out some fibs on this. Fucking A. I wish I would have been here at 972. Okay, Tim, you know that I was not looking at this until you just called it out. Look at these fib ones I drew on it earlier, just for fun. I drew these on it earlier in pre-market when I saw it moving. Copy. Paste. Check out those fucking extensions, bro.
What did you draw? Wait, where is the line you drew? Is it from like yesterday?
It's from...
Oh, the pre-market. I see it.
STBX
It's not even
Starbucks
there, I
shares
don't
were
think. Where the fuck did I draw it?
opened this morning and then halted at 29.70.
I did
That's Sandy
these
Tango
from that
Bravo
first
X-ray.
big move that it had, not today, not yesterday, not the day before, but the day before that. So what is that, Friday?
Oh,
Right now up 642%
The first big move up
from the
to the
offering
move
price
down.
of $4.
So
well, that's
1,
crazy.
2, 3 days ago.
There you go. You just gotta draw fib lines every day.
You just gotta find big moves. That's what
Yeah,
you gotta
true.
do, Tim. It's not about every
There
day,
was
it's
a
about
there
the
was a big
move.
move this morning and yesterday.
Oh, well, that's a, and you probably could have drawn it off that big move from this morning. There really wasn't a big move yesterday. I suppose if you want to play this thing, but
Yeah, I mean, if you draw the lines from the move this morning, it doesn't really line up with
I
anything.
like the biggest moves possible. That's what I kind of look for on
Yeah,
the chart.
I mean, I can't even see
know?
back past yesterday, so
Oh, really?
yeah, I only see today and yesterday.
You don't have a daily up anymore?
I have the daily up, but that's not looking at
Gotcha. You can't really see the price movement in that well.
yeah.
I gotcha. You make me good. These fucking Panthers, man.
Haven't heard Charlie in a while. Did you get back in Oxy?
Should I?
Just trying.
Those days where I feel a little distracted with everything going on, man. But yeah, it's definitely trying. Came back down to my fib line and held it. Those trades I've not really figured out exactly how to trade them. Obviously you just buy it, but
IMPP, Imperial Petroleum, moving here
tough
as
to do
oil
sometimes.
now above $94. Indian Michael Papa.
After risk off of like 73.60.
Also,
Can't do that.
Indonesia Energy, INDO, hitting $11.80, up 49% now at the high. That's India November Delta Oscar.
Charlie said IMPP. By the way, I love it when that stock moves because I get to say IMPP. Hello, IMPP.
Waiting for shares of Starbucks, STBX, to
UPP.
resume. Opened and halted almost immediately at $29.70 from $4
Miss the
offering
office.
price.
That was a good share. Fuck, there's money to be made like that, man, but that's a fucking scary ass trade to me. She homeboys sank.
Yeah. I think you should have got back in Oxy.
I do too. That's what I'm talking about. I wish I was in it.
Russian Foreign Ministry spokeswoman says Russia is committed to the deal on grain exports from the Ukraine.
Crazy. The SPY looked like it was just going to grind higher and then went all the way back to the lows.
Isn't that bananas? Kind of expect this 413, 40, 50, 30. Between 413 and 30 to 50 to be resistance. But window, gonna rippity in your face, bitches. I got a feeling on Indo, but jeez, I don't know if I want to play something this crazy. Doc chucking this 4,000 shares yet?
I can check because I'm bored. Doesn't have his P&L up today, so I don't know if that's good or not. He's in a Twitter put. Oh, he was playing Indo.
Oh, was he playing Indo?
Let's see.
That's what I said.
He bought
Still
Indo,
waiting.
sold it for 20 cents less, bought it again. What's that, about 70? And he made some on the second one. Looks like about break even probably overall.
He's been trading in and out of Indo.
Yeah, that and Oxy, it looks like.
Calling Indo to 14 bucks.
He's
Probably
watching,
without
but
me.
he's not in it.
I can't be in here. I would have had to been in down 11.45, and it's so fucking risky. You know,
Yeah.
not my fave. I think it'll go to 14 bucks today, but it's not my fave.
STBX shares resume trade now following
That's
a
just probably
circuit
waiting
breaker
for the
halt.
thing to
Sandy
fly into a
Tango
halt.
Bravo X-ray. Shares right now at 34.20. Hit a high of 41.80. Moving around here now, 34.20, up about 800%. $40 now on STBX, Starbucks,
TBX.
and
What the fuck?
shares
New
are
IPO.
Don't look at that.
Halting.
once again halted on a circuit breaker on STBX.
Yes. Okay. Love you. Keep our
$40, 1 cent, up 900% off the highs.
Crack-a-lackin', boys. Besides Tim's ugly face.
My fucking son. Oh my god. So I'm running a Minecraft server that me and him have been playing in, and the only way that he can play is if I'm sitting in it. So while I'm trading, I've been AFK.
Huh.
And so while I was AFK, he literally went in there, dug down into the ground, and then surrounded me by a block that I can't destroy. So now he just trapped me underground. What a dick.
It's like my son's an asshole. That's funny. Everybody's into Minecraft lately, huh?
He's been into it for like the last 5 or 6 months. I just started playing with him because he asked me to.
I have trouble getting into that. I have trouble getting into any game, but my daughter's super into that What's that one that we trade the stock?
No idea what you're talking about.
Roblox.
That was like a fad, just like all those other games that seem to be fads. Like a bunch of mini games, which is pretty cool for a little while.
Ukraine Zelensky says we will get back Crimea by any means we deem right without consulting other countries.
Mini games, Tenny.
Watching this RVPH, but it's a cheapo and would need to make a bigger move.
RV. PH. Ugh.
I told you it was a cheapo.
It's not even the cheapo part, it's the
They
move
put
as
you
well.
on obsidian. No, it's not. It's not obsidian.
those
It's
are
weird. It
flying, yeah.
looks like what's the name? It's just the silver
Cheapo
block.
and a slow-mo.
But I have a pickaxe, and it's not even
I
attempting.
feel like the
to
whole
get through
room
it.
is dissed us today, Tim. Nobody wants to be in here.
Yeah, they don't seem to be talking much.
Thomas said he was caught up with work today, and
Sit here and hold
yeah,
it and
he's
see
probably
what
like, fuck
happens.
this, I'm out of here.
Bedrock you can't destroy. Well, he knows how to go from creative to survival. So like he'll cheat sometimes and he'll go on to creative and grab something and then he'll go back to survival. I'm just curious how deep, but I'm pretty sure this isn't a block that I shouldn't be able to destroy.
STBX open again. Andy Tango Bravo X-ray.
Wonder if it's like there's
Shares
no,
at
because it still should
45.
let me get to the obsidian through this.
I hit a
one.
high of 46.21.
I'm still
up,
hitting it.
1,000% right now. And
Look at me,
holding
2464
around
X diamonds in
$40.
my chest now.
That's Sandy Tango Bravo X-ray.
I mean, to be fair, I didn't ever want it to be on survival, but he keeps wanting to destroy an ender dragon like legit. So that's why he keeps turning it back. But he'll do it sometimes to do stuff like this.
STBX again.
Do you play Looney? You could survival is definitely more fun.
Shares on the way
Since
down
I
at
just started, I actually like creative
37.81.
because it allows me to kind of do whatever I want and learn everything, learn how everything works. I am still hitting the same block and it's not going anywhere. And it's with a pickaxe.
Here's on the way down.
Here, I can show you what it looks like.
STBX.
So that's what the block looks like.
Well, 2 days in a row, we got a little slow-mo.
Oxy, you just ain't quitting, huh? What a crazy one. To think if I was like knee deep in this, I'd still be in it. Hasn't really had a pullback at all.
Be grinding, bro.
It's all around me. It's below me as well.
I took it off. Which I probably shouldn't have. I should still be in it, but I suck
Oh
at
no,
grinders.
it's not. You're right. I saw the good idea. I wonder. I'll bring it over and we'll play a little
I've come to the conclusion that there are just some things you're not good at, and grinders are one of those things for you. And that's
So
okay.
smart. Where's my sensor? Oh, we did it right next to our house too.
NRDY, nerdy, seeing some volume coming into
He
November
built
Romeo
it
Delta
around me.
Yankee.
What a jerk. Funny.
RDY.
Murphy's in
Vaughn,
here.
as you would say, Tim.
Insider buy on NRDY. CEO buying 5 million shares at $3.50 per share.
I got
That's
a
the
little
November
blind.
Romeo Delta
NRDY, do a short
Yankee.
on that.
It's in
On
Form 4
NRDY?
filing.
Mm-hmm.
Do.
CEO bought 5 million shares. It doesn't really matter, does it?
NRDY up.
I didn't get on that, did you?
No. I was watching it, but I don't like getting in on that first candle.
I think that 310 area was probably it then.
Volume out of nowhere, stuff like that. I definitely like to give it a sec.
Which one?
Understand.
NRDY.
NRDY. Nerdy.
Order filled.
Gave you another shot, Timmy.
Yeah, I took a stab. I thought I got 310, but I got 308.
INDO, Indonesia Energy, more no highs
Indo
now,
heading 14.
$12.76. That's Indian November Delta Yankee. Indian November Delta Oscar, Indonesia Energy hitting a high of 1276 INDO. STBX
Good luck
open
on
again
nerdy.
now,
I'm gonna go
$35. Sandy Tango Bravo X-ray.
Big D should sound like a non-gamer guy, because that's what he is.
Order filled.
Report circulating now, was out earlier this morning, said that U.S. officials said that Iran dropped some demands for the nuclear deal. More reports coming in now on that. Crude is off the highs now, 93.23, up 3.25%.
Okay.
STBX halted again at 33.27. Sandy Tango Bravo X-ray.
I've been thinking about you, how your voice shakes when you're lying, make everything about you,
That would suck.
and I just be a smiling,
Missed by 2 cents.
but I still be here when we're in hard times, baby, just join in the fun, running around, might lose my mind, summer's only
TWTR, Twitter, Bloomberg reporting Twitter Musk lawsuit in Delaware will have a hearing tomorrow. Hearing will be on discovery motions. That's in a court filing reported by Bloomberg.
Tell me, babe, it's untrue.
Just that one little push real quick. To try to grab that liquidity.
Up.
Just chilling in this nerdy.
Nerdy. Better buy. We'll wait till Moss grab it with you.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I'm in it.
Second, he's out on it. CEO sells the 5 million stocks he just bought. Bump and dumped your asses. I don't know if there was 5 million stocks. I'm making that up. Yeah, its average has got to be like right here, huh?
Two.
Both of you.
I didn't get an ad up here yet. I had an order out at 348 and it never filled me. My average is actually 318. Wish it would have gave me that ad though, huh? I probably should have added there, to be honest, on that break back down.
Order cancelled.
Wasn't paying attention.
What did you add there? Out of curiosity.
Just backside break.
No matter how, like size wise. Be 1-1, 1-2.
I'd probably just
SPBX
add another
Starbucks
one.
now at about $30 off the highs of $46.
I wasn't really paying attention to it, to be honest. I thought it was just going to grind. It really felt like it was going to try to go higher and maybe liquidity grab up through 350.
Going below the $30 mark. TBX, Sandy Tango Bravo X-ray.
Does kind of suck that I didn't get it now, because now it's right at my average, and we all know what it's going to do from here.
What do you think it's going to do, Tim?
What do you think it's going to do, Devin?
I think it's going to fly right through your average, bro. Like, right through. You can cut through it like butter.
What's your average, Thomas?
325.
So you're good. I'm sorry for the temporary bounce here.
My fault.
My bad. Oh, it's so annoying I didn't get that ad up there.
You didn't.
Oh, look. It was there. It was there the whole time.
Oh, you had an order sitting up there?
Yeah. Went to 46. I just left it there the entire time. It was there before it even went through 35. Because I was like, well, if it goes up to test 50, I was going to split my two. One side on this side of 50, and then if it went through 50, get the other half on the other side.
Gotcha.
And it decided to stop a little premature. I could have dragged it down a couple times, but it just really felt like it was fine.
Go.
Yeah, like it kept creeping up there, and I was like, oh, this is definitely gonna at least try to get some stops or whatever. And it just never did. Should I get rid of my 312 order to cover half? You think it'll help it go down? You think I'm creating some support there?
What's your how many shares?
It's 80 that's sitting there.
Yeah, your 80 shares are definitely what's holding the stock that just traded.
I mean, bro,
5.6 million.
it fell straight down to this point, and it's just sitting here. So, I mean, my average is 318. I mean, how much more perfect do you want me to make this shit? I can't make this shit up. Thomas should be happy that I didn't get my ad. Because if I got my ad, I would have been up where his average is. And then we would have been bouncing up there.
Yeah.
Order cancelled.
Did you cut it, Thomas?
Yeah. Well, and I didn't get my next ad. I'm just gonna have to start muting y'all.
Mm-hmm.
I was in my full-size starter, and I was debating on when it came back through to add another 800 shares, and I didn't. So, is what it is.
Did we talk you out of that? Because I was saying I wish I would have added as well. I honestly just wasn't paying attention. I was looking at another screen. Or were you talking like down here?
No. When it first broke down, you'll see, I got one ad when it broke down, and then it popped back up, and then when it came back down again, that's when I was sitting there debating on whether hitting it again at the same spot in the 30s would have
Average.
brought my average up a little bit, because I would have been pretty much doubling my position.
What do you do?
3.34
Is it
after
1-2
jumping back
or
in.
1-1?
Who, me?
And I know your first one is broken up into 4, but after that one's complete, what's the next
Got a
one?
lock.
No, I
Still
didn't get
ran
the chance
realized.
to tell you because you were in a Krabby Patty mood yesterday. I increased my first, so now it's a 2-1-1.
Okay, so
So
you 2-2-2-2.
No, my first starter was 200 shares, then 100 shares, then another 100 shares.
Oh, so you changed the way that is.
Yes.
Oh, so you're still 400 is your full size starter, but you're going 2-1-1.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm getting more on my first because
That's like 80% of your trades.
it's actually now up to 93.
93% of your trades are one freaking ad?
Yep.
Shit, you gotta get that thing up to 3, bro. Go 350-50. I don't know, man. Or make it 500 your starter. I don't know.
I don't justify that.
God, that's fucking crazy. 93% of your trades are one ad. Let's see how it goes with the 2, you know?
It's pretty much doubled since I started my profits.
Well, you would imagine they double if 93% of your trades are right there. That's a fucking big ass percentage. So that would be your goal to increase. You would make that like your initial ad, you know, that full position first would be 500 instead of 400, right?
Yeah.
That is eventually how you'll increase size.
Yeah, that's exactly. So, like, my next increase, my starter will be 400 shares and then 200.
400. Oh, so your next one's going to go to 800?
Correct.
For a starter position?
Correct.
They're gonna double.
But you figure right now, I do 2, 1, 1. So 200, 100, 100 gets me to 400.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So you're gonna go
I
3,
like
2,
to
2.
keep it. I'm kind of like you are in a way. I don't like to do 150s and all that
Yeah,
stuff.
fuck those weird numbers, man. I gotta keep it in the hundreds. If I go up, I'm going up 100. You know, at least.
BM
Well, shit. So you're saying by the time you
WVMware,
do your next
in Business Insider
ad,
reporting
because right now your full
VMware slows
size
and
is
vetoes some customer deals
3,400
before
shares.
merger. Victor Michael Whiskey.
32.
Would you go up 32? So would you be going up to freaking 6,400 shares?
Yes.
Shit, bro. Doubling's kind of hardcore, dude.
But by the time I get to that point, my account's going to justify it.
Okay, so it takes you a long time to get to that
Yeah,
next
yeah,
point.
yeah.
Okay.
But then I'm
Do
also
you think
I'm looking for
your brain can tolerate it?
Yeah, I don't see why
Yeah.
not. I want to say last year I was up to that amount.
6,400 shares?
RVPH.
Really? Jesus, bro. Why are you trading bigger than everybody else in the room?
VE play.
And then I took a loss and
Dollar.
redid my math. And,
That whacked you back down? Okay. So you realized at that point, this is too big.
I got too cocky too fast.
Yeah. I got you. I know, like, 6,000 shares would be too heavy for me. I'm thinking I can get up to 2,000. Like, I'm getting really comfortable being near 1,000. Or in the, 1,000. I'm getting really comfortable with that. I think if I can bring that up to, like, 1,300, I think that'll somehow change something in my brain. It sounds like I'm heavy, having 1,000 shares, 2,000 shares.
And that's why I don't look at it as shares when I'm trading it. It's add 1,
Ads,
add
just-
2, add 3.
yeah.
It's just ads.
Yeah, it's nothing crazy. It's
Because
not.
if I do sit there and think about mentally, okay, that's 400. This is that, and you start doing that math. Oh shit, that's 3,200 shares.
RVPHLNG.
You start looking at the number that you have like invested in that at that moment, that time in 3,400 shares on this $8 stock. I have this much money in the game right now. Oh fuck. Yeah, I think that stuff plays in my head, like how much money I'm using at that moment too.
Yeah, that doesn't fade. I don't think about it that much.
And see, I do, but I think I just think about money a lot, so it gets in my head. But I should think of it in terms of risk, and that's it. I am risking X. The end. That's all that matters. And I'm getting there, man. I'm getting there.
Did you say?
Dog's sad and has to go pee. I'm gonna have to take him out.
I mean,
soon.
we got Dino Nugget, Noodles.
Yeah, it's actually kind of slow right now. I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna go take the dog for
Try
a little
another. Want that other pizza
quick
that we
walk
got?
before it gets too hot. BRB boys.
And look in the.
STBX resuming. Starbucks IPO resuming now at $26 the low, continuing to pull back here now.
Yes. One piece of candy.
Order
There you
filled.
go.
NRDY dollar.
Got half out.
Patience paid off that time, my bro.
Trying. I'm a little sad I didn't add there on that little pop to 30. But at that point, I was like, well, it's not really going to bring my average up that much. All I'm really doing is essentially saying, I don't really know what I'd be saying there, except for I think I'm in a winning trade, and I'm just trying to get more size.
I wish I'd have went with my first initial thought.
Order cancelled.
When I pulled it up and looked at it, I was like, ooh, I like the 40s area. I'm gonna wait till the 40s.
Like orange.
Yeah, I started it at 19.
Yeah. Well, with all that and all those people that were in at the top, this feels like one that could probably go all the way back home. I was hoping for at least the 3 test. Get me out of pretty much all my position. Come on, Mr. Average. Be resistance for once instead of support. No? Okay. It's like, nah, fuck you. So I should have just took the whole thing off, huh? Never fails. Can't even do that because I have different size order in there. You don't see that very often. The 9 never even got above VWAP.
Yeah.
Kind of crazy. At least I got filled at 312. That's where my order was. That's where the bottom was. That's a plus, I guess. Can't break that block. What block is it? I don't even know what block that was. Got a shovel for dirt? I had a shovel, I think. I just didn't use it. Wrap him in like water. It's my son, man. I think he wasn't even in the server anymore. The question is this going to be a little liquidity grab here? Or is it actually going to try to go higher? Whoa. Is that wick real? What's that all about?
No shit, huh?
Just gave some people some hope if it wasn't real. That's kind of messed up.
Order filled. Or better than what he did to you. Why is that? This one gets back up towards the highs. This
Echo
thing might
Papa Michael,
try
new
to
under
go
$10
pretty
buy
crazy.
from Zax.
Definitely not trying to watch. I'm not gonna obviously let this go through highs. It would be a cut. It would
That's
be a
Echo
sucky
Papa
cut.
Michael.
Especially because I guess we could have just cut
Shares
it
of Evolution.
the rest that break even, but I was really looking for more out of it once we made
Petroleum
all this
hitting
attempt at a breakdown.
$7.52. That's Echo Papa Michael.
And this wick I
Up right
don't
now,
believe was real.
4.75%.
So I'm trying to see if this same area will hold. That's kind of the thought process. Be nice if it at least came down and retested that area from before. Struggling to come back down though.
ALLR, Alarity Therapeutics.
Was kind of hoping
granted
that was
US
a pretty
patent
clear
methods for
shove
predicting
back
drug
down.
responsiveness in cancer patient. That's Alpha Lima Lima Romeo, ALLR.
First time we saw 25, I think. Oh no, that's where it's been hitting 25. So if we can get through 25, might be good. Can't seem to get through it. Trying again.
STBX, Starbucks shares are halted at the lows now, $19.54. IGA Sega seeing some activity in the September 22.5 call.
The worst part is too, I don't even know where the top of this
Alpha.
candle actually was. So it's like I can't even like use that as a stop. I think it was like 35 or 36. Like if I wanted to try to use that as a stop. Need to get through 25 and we're good. Somebody's sitting there. This is, oh, there we go. I was hoping for more of a push down off of that. Yeah. No. Come on.
RVPH wide stop, feels like the top.
How annoying is this tree? How annoying.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
NRDY out all, just gonna
30
call it a botched trade and move on.
35 is my stop here.
BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond, December
C35
20
I'm
calls
out.
active now on Bravo, 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 Yankee.
Slam. 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 Slam it.
Order cancelled.
Mm.
Order partially filled. Order filled.
What an annoying fucking trade.
What an annoying fucking trade.
APRN Blue Apron, the December $10 calls Alpha Papa Romeo November.
Gonna go get some lunch. Oh, hey Car. Hey, if you want to keep talking, find me in the Discord. I'm gonna send you guys over to SJ if he's still on. That annoyed me enough to where I need to just take a break. I know it's not a lot of money. It's not the point. See what it does here.
Order filled.
And RDY, Nerdy, on that insider buy by the CEO, continuing to hit new highs, $3.66. Seeing now the October $5 calls in Nerdy and RDY.
I'm not getting very
In
good
again.
entries on this thing. Hey, look where I've bounced. This is ridiculous.
Dollar.
There's a Starbucks continuing to drift lower now after reopening.
Literally, I
again,
missed my ad by 2 cents
$15.60.
here, missed my ad here by 6 cents. I just...
Sandy Tango Bravo X-ray.
Hmm. Should have just dragged it down. Spacing my ads today is kind of effing me in the butt. Literally gonna just bounce right off me. So brutal. Here's the 88, puts us at like 74. And we end up getting all the way down to 60 with 200. It would have been looking good. What do you want, bud? You never told me what you wanted. Can you get off my room? You're not hungry right now? I'm getting ready to take a break because I want to make a shake. Yeah, I can.
Is there
I
anybody
saw
out
what
there?
you did to me. I got out though.
Yeah. I don't know if Tim has his mic on or
No, I
not. He's
didn't.
in nerdy again.
You got back in it? Looks
Yeah,
like
no, I was on the phone, so I couldn't jump back in it.
hard to tell if you got
Yep.
out of this one green or not.
It was not green.
Not green.
I could have been out green several times, but I was trying to get more.
Gotcha.
And it just kept bouncing off my average. And then I tried adding back in after I took the profit the first time. And then it just decided to go higher. I'm back in it right now, and wouldn't you know, it's bouncing right off my average. 360. It's starting to get a little frustrating. I'm not going to lie. It does feel like the market's against me.
It's not, though. You're obviously doing
Damn
something
funny.
wrong.
No, I even said, like, I just can't seem to get my entries right. I had an ad sitting at 388, and it went to 382. It's just like everything I'm doing today is, like, off just by that little bit.
Yeah.
Bud, relax.
Just be getting.
Pick out what you want.
Fucking... Took him for such a big walk. Why does he gotta be a prick?
What you want for lunch?
I'm hungry.
Why do you keep asking me what we're doing for lunch?
He's just doing his job.
I know, and I understand. There's people in our freaking yard.
Need you get you some high-end sound canceling headphones like we use for gaming, then you can't hear.
Does it really block out the noise around you?
Not our fucking dogs, dude. I hear my fucking dog. He still scares the shit out of me.
Okay,
with my
this
noise
thing is
canceling
stubborn.
Headphones on.
That's funny. Hold on 1 second, guys. I gotta go ask.
My
this guy
average is
something
at
real
60.
fast. I'll be back.
Now you know why. Just flush. Please. Should have 4.20 plus in mind.
Order filled.
Or my ad should have been the first time.
Holy cow, guys, my house is changing colors.
CELH, Celsius Holdings popping to the highs now, 111.20, seeing big volume coming in. That's Charlie Echo Lima Hotel. Shares up
And suck at these trades like a nerdy, bro.
7.25%. New leaderboard position from
I
Investors
added
Business
on that
Daily.
pop when
That's
it didn't go
Charlie
through the
Echo
highs.
Lima
It,
Hotel.
hold on.
Order cancelled.
It brought my average up to 67.
Order
It
filled.
literally went down to 67 and bounced. Oh, I fucking love it. I fucking love it.
And like, I wish I was making this up.
I really do. I really do. And then it's gonna do. I took half off on the fake out breakout, and now it's gonna fucking do this. I love it. I love it.
Breathe, man, breathe. We're not in the market we were in a week ago, bro. And so just keep that in mind too. This isn't the most fucking amazing market that we've ever traded.
Order filled.
Like, I'm not feeling punching the gas pedal on this one, which I was picking it up a lot the last 2 weeks. The last 2 days, I'm kind of like, eh.
It's all about how you were with my parents. Yeah, I changed their mind. 'Cause you were sweet and looking like you cared, boy. That was hard to find. I caught feelings, how could these
You get back in this, Thomas? That doesn't look like you would have.
No, not at all.
Yeah, nice. After I really looked at the chart, I'm like, where would he have gotten in? He wasn't in back here. He's not going to be in over here.
NRDY out all for now, someone's buying the flushes.
Louis Navalier on Toll Brothers, TOL, tells Benzinger. It says home builders are worried about rising mortgage rates since residential investment is now running at about an minus
Average, Timmy?
18.8%
72 or
annual
something?
pace. Toll Brothers has to issue
66.
good guidance at about an 18.8% annual pace. Toll Brothers has to issue good guidance, otherwise it could get shot.
66?
That's Tango Oscar Lima.
Ah.
Gotta be fucking kidding.
Oh.
The good boy? Fucking A, man. I'm really not feeling all these grindy bullshit trades that are going on right now. You able to get out of that? Or? No, not yet.
I'm sure it's going to go back to the highs and fake out. I'll be out and then it'll go down. Then I'm just going to have to not look at it the rest of the day.
Damn, Blue, you gotta give me a fucking second.
BLUE report Anthem Blue Cross is out with a new coverage policy for Bluebird Bio's Zenteglio.
Okay.
That's Bravo Lima Uniform Echo.
Oh, shit.
Went straight up, straight down.
It did. As soon as it flashed on the screen, dude, I typed it in. I was sitting here, and I didn't even get the it didn't even
Jeez.
load up.
That's supposed to be good news? Like, let's go high today. Nah, you know what? Let's go back low today. Okay. Jeez, what the heck? What was it? Was it supposed to be good news?
Somebody hit the wrong button, Dick.
Sounds like it. Here it goes to fake me out.
SIX Six Flags. Insider buy 500,000 shares
Order
at
cancelled.
23.23 per share. That's Sandy India X-ray.
Six sort interesting. Srota. Sorta LOL.
Pulled 6 up to take a look at it, and where does it drop?
It wasn't that pretty, dude.
Yeah, his volume out of nowhere. So I was
I'm
just
waiting for more.
Something this blue small. This wants to
Short?
continue down. Yeah.
that was an odd move out of blue for sure.
Just see if that wants to continue on this downward path. 64.
AJRD, Aerojet
Yeah,
Rocketdyne, getting a pop here. Alpha
Little
Juliet
man.
Romeo Delta.
Basically top TikTok.
I'm taking baby shares off there just in case.
No news on Aerojet Rocketdyne.
$50, dude. I think this goes down to 5 at least. Obviously, 525 will
Order
be
filled.
difficult to get through as it will halt.
Nibble.
These ones I never
It's
jump in
effing
and normally
nerdy,
end up working
man.
out. Ends up being nerdy.
It went down and actually broke that 360 for a split second and then got bought right up. Took a starter in 6 SIX.
I want to look at that as opposed to this weird one that I'm in.
Maybe it's going straight up.
Hearing deal reporter out on Aerojet Rocketdyne. AJRD
that's
shares
gonna
now
show
at
up, no joke.
43.21, up 1.25%.
piece of crap. 57.
Heard that one.
My doggy?
Yup.
Yeah.
Dollar.
Did you? Shut all the blinds, hoping he would.
Order filled.
But they're taping off windows.
Order
Shit
cancelled.
outside, so that's making noise.
Is this a joke? Come on, it has to be a joke. I had to order a 53 on Nerdy to take all my shares off, and look at it. I didn't get filled, but it bounced there.
No way.
I know we laugh, but it's ridiculous how much it's happening.
Yeah. Alright, I'm out of blue, small win. I just don't know what that's gonna do.
I mean, what am I
Six is
supposed to
looking
do?
up for you, so fuck nerdy, man.
I
Put all your money
I
over
got
here in
out of
six.
6. I got out of 6.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, I couldn't even start 6, dude. I was wanting more.
Yeah, I watched it on TOS and it just didn't give me enough that I do 24. I kind of once I broke that 24, wanted a little
Order
pop,
cancelled.
pop, pop.
Yeah, 24.19 was my number.
Yeah. So I hit 24 and I'm
Order
like, all right,
filled.
higher. Nope. Okay. Oh, I guess I should post my stupid blue chart. That doesn't look very impressive, but hey, we got to post the good and the not so good. Right, Thomas? Right?
That's it. That's it.
Alright. Fucking A, look at this marvelous winner of mine. Shows you what I can do when I put my mind to it. I can make like 5-6 cents off of the fucking trade. Boom, bitches. Take that. I know you guys are all jealous. I'm gonna freaking heart the shit out of your trade, Timmy. Dude, did you set your take profit down there and it filled it? Is that what happened on 6?
No, you don't want to know what it did.
You full of shit.
No, go watch the replay. Go watch it. I had it at 61 and it went to 66 and bounced. And then I dragged it up and got filled at 69.
And then it flushed to 57.
And then it flushed to 57 or 58, it looks like.
Wherever that is, I don't know. I'm just
So I would have got filled had I held on to it, but the first drop that it made, it went to 66 and my order was at 61.
That's hilarious. At least it wasn't by a penny, bro. Let's look at the bright side.
Yeah, I was definitely thinking a penny, but when he said 6 cents, I was like, okay, no big deal.
I mean, look at the one on Nerdy. I had to take that a penny higher because it went to 53. My order was at 53, wouldn't fill me. And so I dragged it, or I actually put a new order. I only took 75% off there. I was going to see if this thing will actually go down through 350. I feel like if this can go down through 350, it could go all the way back down to 3.
Such a fucking dull-ass trader, though, huh? I got a fucking shit ton of volume there, though.
Yeah, it did. That's what makes me think that there's a lot of people underwater, so this could go down further.
Oh, that thing got 16 mil just after that first thing, because there was like no volume in it before that.
Or it'll just come back up higher and grab my leftovers for a loss. We could do that too.
It has a
President
44
Biden
to
tweeting
60
now,
million
access to
float,
health
somewhere
care
in
and the
there.
prescription drugs you need should be a right, not a privilege
6
for
is all the way
Americans. The
back up.
Inflation Reduction Act will help close the racial gap in access to medication by lowering drug
Double
costs
top, bitches, let's go!
and capping Medicare beneficiaries' out-of-pocket costs.
All right, through. Is this Six Flags? Is that what this is?
Yes, yes.
Guess there is some news, obviously.
I am not liking 6. I may just miss it and go warm up my lunch.
The tip is exposed. Uh-oh. What happened?
So is that the
Stock
tip
drop.
is exposed.
Oh yeah, Dad,
Something
I
on
see
6
it.
I don't
Yeah,
normally
just kind of
try.
peeking out there.
This is where it breaks the pattern. Surprised you've never drawn lines. What lines? I mean, I used to draw the lines. Now I just look at where the lines would be. I don't need to draw them every time now.
ZM Zoom, Jim Chano says he has been short Zoom, speaking on CNBC. Zulu Michael.
Hello, motherfucker.
I did look at the clip. So the SJ with the lightsaber. I am going to make my shake. I will be back. I will let this ride out.
Lord, how do people trade like this? Alright, I'm all out. Basically, I don't know, it's actually a little green. A long 6, thinking maybe I just get that crazy ass pump out of it. I didn't get it. But I'll post this bullshit chart. You still in nerdy?
Yeah, it looks like he has a range order in. He's not at his desk.
I tried the long 6, that didn't go well.
Yeah, I kind of figured that's what you did.
I got a green out of it, but very, very small green. It's like 200 shares. I think I gotta try something new. But you know, sometimes you see these things fucking start with that big, you know, volume up, and then it breaks out and goes like double that. So I was like,
Yeah.
maybe this thing just runs another $1, and I ride it up. Get the quickest dollar of my life on 200 shares and say, later guys, I'm done. And it immediately didn't do that, and so I was like, fuck this. But it didn't dump on me either, so it was nice to me. Tim literally left his desk.
Yeah, he's got 377 for a tap out and 301 for a take profit, and it's about to hit him.
Not yet. Looks like I might, but
So yeah, it was Monday. I was going to tell you Monday is when I switched to the 211, but I always had a 211 formula, but it wasn't working. And what I have to do is 211 and use that as my average as my starter.
Order filled.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away. Human hearts aren't so lucky. Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. Can't let go of the one thing I wanted most. I'm chasing echoes, echoes of your ghost. La da 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 da. La da 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 da. La da 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 da.
ELH Celsius Holdings shares hitting a high 113.96. Charlie Echo Lima Hotel. New Investors Business Daily Leaderboard position at CELH. Jim Chano says he's short on AMC common share, long on preferred share.
Throw a rock into a pond, ripples fade away.
That's Alpha Papa Echo, Alpha Michael Charlie.
Those battle scars remain. Oh, I can't let go of the
Up, Thick Ranger. I heard you roboting, Thomas, but I don't know what you said. You left me, Thomas. Tim Thomas. Tim Thomas.
Jim Chano says we have been neutral for most of 2022.
Apparently, Frog.
Did I miss anything?
Hey, you missed me calling your name, saying, what were you saying as you were roboting?
Oh, I was roboting? Something must have happened with your...
No, you were roboting because of me. I had walked away from the from the computer.
Oh, okay. I was like, all right. Oh, I was telling you, I wanted to tell you on Monday about the 2-1-1. And I always had a 2-1-1 formula. And that's what I used a year ago. But now trying to do what I'm doing, it wasn't working. So I've been looking at it. And what I had to end up doing is 2-1-1 and using that average to get my next second ad. Where before it was just 2-1-1, say 4-6-8. I just hit them every 30 to 50 cents. I had to make that change and throw in the average in order to get to where I want to be at the 25-cent risk.
I don't know if you can hear me, but I hear you.
I hear you now.
Far away, but I'm listening. I'm here, dude, but I'm doing some shit right outside the room, so I'm kind of far away.
Gotcha. Fucking nerdy don't want to give up, dude.
NRDY rotated. NM, scanner wrong. (45-63M).
Hey, since they're doing, have you ever painted your house or had your house painted?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have like these picture wall hangers in my hallway that we're gonna just rehang the pictures there, but they're like, you know, these ones that are specifically for the frames that we have. You think I just leave those things in the wall and then paint it, or do I just gotta take them all down and fucking buy all new shit?
No, you can leave them up.
And they can just paint over them?
Yeah.
Okay, then I'm just gonna hang the fucking pictures right back up where they are after they painted. That's what I figured, because I'd rather do that than fucking have to rehang all that shit. Because that sounds like a pain in the ass.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
I'm guessing Nerdy stopped him out.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass, dude. It's bouncing right between my fib lines. 618 and 100.
Yeah.
Through 385. Could go all the way to 430.
Yeah, that's what I had in mind, the 420s. I see the 420s with some volume, some movement. We'll be shorting it.
I may join you if it gets up there, man. I don't really want a long... See, this is why I fucking hate these little pieces of shit. Like, I think up, I don't really have a lot of faith it's going to go too high. So I'd rather find a fib line to short it off of, because it's probably going to come all the way the fuck back down, because it's a piece of shit, you know? Something like PDD, Oxy, those ones I don't mind longing, because they're fucking legit companies. Unless this thing had a shit ton of volume, was blasted for everything, then I'd be interested. Hi, boy. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go use the potty, and we'll see you in a moment.
Alright guys, I'm gonna send you over to Stock Talk. Sorry for just kind of leaving you like that. I had to let the dog out. Today ended up, I mean, we're still green, not after commissions, obviously, probably. Actually, probably pretty close. But, be back tomorrow. Till then, peace.